Okay, what we want to do now is if you go to that Outlook that we talked about earlier and you click on Administrator, it's going to take you to your basically my.gbuahn.org. Again, the same user and password are being used where the arrows are pointing to. And then you hit OK. Then you pop up, you'll actually see the OneNote application that'll pop up. As a result of that, when you go back, you can actually click on the sides and you'll see the application. So you can actually, on that left side where I put the little check mark here. Now, I mean, you can actually go through different applications that are open and flip from one to the other. So we're here where we actually ask, so when you're a new user, Tony's a new user, you're going to notice that the feed and everything's pretty much ready for you to kind of build on. And if you click on the news feed on top, it takes you out to kind of look at all aspects of the application. But let's go back in. It's turning on the OneNote for you once you do that. And this is what your OneNote's going to look like initially. But when you go here, you click on the red side, either on the top red arrow or the bottom, and you're here. So now you're at the My gbuahn site that you have. You're going to be able to see people that you follow. You're going to be able to see documents that you on the SharePoint site, and Rodney's going to be showing you this, where you can hit follow and you can follow. You can also follow some of the sites, the websites, in addition to that. So that's where this particular location is. Now we go to the task. So on the left side, if you looked at it and you click on the task, this is what it showed. And what I want you to do is to go up where the red arrow is and hit the list. This will allow you to connect to your Outlook, and it'll be your Outlook. So when you're on the Outlook anywhere, on the SharePoint, on the My site, it's going to basically track everything. It's going to prompt you if you want to do this, and you're going to say yes. And then you'll ask you for your password again. And then once that's done, it's connected, and all these pieces are done. I know it's going to be a little tricky to kind of do all these things, but if you follow step by step, play the video back, you're going to basically get a better idea. Now, if you click sites, you're going to be looking at sites that you may follow. What I like this for is that sometimes you want to be able to kind of, if you're a navigator, you want to know what's going on with the navigation site. Instead of jumping around, you can click there and go to there. If you're on your LMS and you want to go to the LMS and do a course or whatever, you can click here. If you started a course but didn't finish it, you see it just gives you one place to really do all these things instead of jumping around. Here is the next one, which is the OneDrive. This is the drive that you'll be able to create different documents that you'll have for yourself in addition to share. So, for example, we have ours here with the administrators and our ACOs, and these are things that I follow with our administrators. If you click on the little 3 spots, this thing pops up and you're able to share it with other people if you want to. You can edit it. If you hit edit, it allows you to edit the particular, like the OneNote, on your desktop or the web browser, which is kind of nice, and you'll get more of that feature. Then on the other 3 dots here, you start getting other views and other things you can do with the program. Again, we're just beginning to kind of give you more instructions on it. Rodney's working hard. These are just ways to kind of make things a little bit easier at gbuahn.